Hi, my name's Casey and I'm a Dyson expert, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Dyson Link app to get the most out of your Dyson machine. So the first thing that you'll need to do obviously is set up and connect your machine to the Dyson Link app. If you're not sure how to do this, you'll find a tutorial here on the Dyson YouTube channel as well as Dyson.ie. So once you're all set up with the app, it'll look something like this. So there's so many really cool features with the Dyson Link app. So you've got all the features of your screen and your remote control. So you've got your live air quality here, so you can see it's good. You can see the temperature in the room, the humidity in the room, and then obviously your air quality as well. So obviously it's green, so it's good right now. You can also view this for like past days. So you can look at it from day to day or week to week. You just select the little graph here and it'll load up your air quality throughout the day in a little graph, and you can swipe back to see the previous days or the previous week. You can select weekly and it'll give it to you in a little bar graph like that. So you can keep an eye on how your air quality has been throughout the day and throughout the week using the app, which is a really helpful feature. Another one that you can do obviously is that it can work as your remote control. So you can fully control your machine in terms of oscillation, your temperature, your airflow from away from the home. So for example, if you're on your way home from work or college or school or anywhere and you want it to be on for an hour before you get home, you can set it to be on at whatever fan speed you want, on at whatever temperature you want it to be at. And whether you're in the room or even inside the home or not, it'll set it to that. Another really cool feature is the set it and forget it feature. So you can set your schedule down here in the bottom corner. So you can set your schedule for morning, all day, evening or night. So in the morning you can set it to come on if you know that you get up at we'll say 7 a.m. to come on until 9 if you leave for work or college at 9, and then it'll come on and be on while you're at home, and then it'll turn off again when you leave the house. Similarly, you can set that for the evening time or for night time. All day you can set it to be on auto mode, so it'll come on and regulate the temperature and the air quality as it needs to. So it'll automatically come on if it detects something in the air that it needs to be getting rid of, and then it'll turn itself off again. Another really cool one is night mode, which you can set through the app as well. Really handy if you've gotten into bed and forgotten to turn it off. You can just open up the app and select the night mode option, and then what night mode does is it maintains whatever settings you apply, so whatever temperature or whatever fan speed, and then it dims the screen so it's not bright and disturbing your sleep, and it'll bring the fan speed down to as quiet a speed as it can. So it'll bring it down to fan speed level 4, or you can set it to be lower if you'd prefer. But yeah, that's some really cool features that the app has. So you can monitor your air quality from day to day or week to week. You can fully control your machine from away from the home. You can set it to night mode or auto mode, and you can just generally have more control over your machine using the Dyson Link app. If you've got any more questions about the Dyson Link app or about your Dyson machine, just visit Dyson.ie.